Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and this is about my fourth or fifth video of the day. I'm super tired. It's the end of the day. Slept out 10 o'clock. I filmed this video earlier today. I have no idea what happened to my footage, so I'm having to refilm it again because I went to edit something that was not present, and that is super annoying. But I wanted to get this video out because I am super in love with my box this month. So you guessed it, it is my July Boxy Charm unboxing. Guys, yeah, I'm in love with this box. I was super excited to get this box this month because there's a palette in it, and I was a little nervous because I didn't know if I was going to get the palette because you had two variations, and one was with the palette and one was without. The one without came with like a setting spray, which to me, I feel like they're not comparable items. So if you're going to do one or the other, they need to be something similar. Like the month they did ColourPop palettes, they were different palettes, but they were still all eyeshadow palettes. Well, to me, like an eyeshadow palette is not the same as a setting spray. So I would be pissed if I got one and not the other. So, but thankfully I got the palette, which is what I wanted. And I did this video a little differently. I had filmed this earlier today because I was so excited to get this box. And when I opened it up and I saw that I had the palette, I was like, oh yes, I have to film this. So I actually did my makeup with all of the items in my box minus one product. So yeah, if you're interested to see what I got in my BoxyCharm box this month, then keep on watching. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the palette because I think it's gorgeous and I was super excited to receive it. So it is the Fuego palette by Crown Brushes, and it retails for $29.99, and this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. Very simple, plain, nothing fancy about it really. But the colors in here are so beautiful. And of course, Fuego means fire. And that's exactly what this is. It's all warm tones. This reminds me a lot of the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, which is a palette that I thought was beautiful, but I was not willing to pay $54 for. I have the Inferno from Bad Habit, which I love. But this is just very reminiscent of that color scheme. So when I saw this, I was excited to get it. Nervous that I wouldn't get it, but super happy when I did get it. And it is so much more pretty in person than it was on pictures. Like the pictures didn't know justice. I really didn't know what to expect. And to be honest, I wasn't super thrilled about what the palette looked like. I just knew I wanted a palette over setting spray. So, but when I got this palette, it's stunning. This color right here is everything, like so bomb. It's actually the color that I have on my lid. So I actually have on 6 of the 10 colors that are in here on my eyes today. These shadows performed very well. This one right here is what I have as my transition shade. Then I went in with this color to warm up the crease. Went in here with this color to deepen the crease. Went in here to deepen the outer V. And then this is my brow bone and inner corner highlight. Love, love, love. And I did my makeup at about 1 something, maybe 2 o'clock, and it's still on. It has not faded at all. As a matter of fact, my face is still matte. Everything is still in place very beautifully. The only thing that I've had to change to reapply is my lip, and that's because it's a glossy lip. It wasn't gonna stay anyway, but my makeup looks just like it looked when I put it on, minus the fact that my eye got a little teary-eyed and looks a little funky. But other than that, the shadow stayed perfectly. It's not muddy. You can still see each and every color that I applied to my face. I can see a little bit of oil starting to peek through, like right in here, but like I said, that was like 1 o'clock or so when I was doing my makeup, and it's 10, almost 11 now. So yes, but love this palette. If you, I know there was a lot of speculation about whether or not this would be a good palette because the palette is currently on sale, but I love this palette and the colors in here. I'm going to swatch the colors that I didn't use just so you can kind of see what they look like. So that would be this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, and this one on the end. There are my finger swatches. and very pigmented, very saturated colors. They go on smooth and beautiful. I love, 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 love this palette, and I'm so thrilled to have gotten it in my box this month. And yes, perfection. Perfection. Next item, just gonna go with what I see next, is just this Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This retails for, I believe it was $24. Yeah, $24. I would not pay that for this. It's mascara. It works. Does it work miracles? No. Is it spectacular? No, it's not. $24? Absolutely not. This is what the wand looks like. Kind of is a little curved or whatever. But to me, if I'm going to pay $24 for a mascara, it has to be like out of this world. And the only mascara that I love enough like that to pay for, well, I take that back. There are more than one. I love the Tarte mascara, and these are the exact same price, and this is way better. The wand on this is super dope, and this actually came in a Boxy Charm box 1 month, and I love this mascara. Another favorite of mine is the Roller Lash by Benefit. Love that mascara. This just isn't on par with those, so to pay $24 for this, not happening. I have drugstore mascaras that perform way better than this, that are a lot cheaper than this. So does it work? Yes, it does. I put it on today. I put it on my lower lash line, and I put it on my regular lash line, and it worked fine, but fine is all. So I'm not disappointed in the product. I'm just not turning cartwheels over it. And $24 is a bit absurd to me. Next product that I got was this brow product. It is the Channail Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And when I saw that the color was taupe, I was very disappointed, because y'all know I love to get brow products in these boxes. And I was super excited about this one, and I was praying that my color would come in a color that I could wear. When you hear taupe, you automatically are like blonde. In my head, I'm a makeup artist. So when I hear taupe, I hear blondes, redheads, like not brunettes. And so I was not digging that. But the color is actually one that I think will work for me. This is it. And I actually used it today. I had forgotten that there was a brow product in this box. And so I had done my brows pretty much for the most part, but I went in and did the front part of my brows with this. And I do love the consistency of this product. I can't wait to try it on my brows with just this product alone to see how it's going to look. But I do love the packaging. The product is in this little well end down here, and then it comes with a little brush, and I think that is really cute and cool. And this retails for $26. So I thought that was a really nice product to get. I love getting brow products in these boxes. I have not received a brow product yet from a Boxy Charm that I didn't love, so that's good. Next product is just the Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel by Dr. Brandt. This is the one product that I did not use. I typically don't suffer from puffy under eyes, so this is not a product that I will probably use often, but I may end up using it eventually. But I don't experience that. So I'm glad to have gotten it in the box. I always love to see Dr. Brandt products in the box, because when I was working at Sephora, this is a really good brand. It's a really good skincare line. Very expensive, very high quality, very high dollar. This retails for, I think, $42. Yeah, $42. So, very good products. This is literally double the cost of the box. So, always happy to get things like this in the box. I just don't particularly need this type of product. So, I wouldn't buy this on my own, but I'm glad it was in the box. And the last, but certainly not least product in this box is this blush from Note Cosmetics. Is it Note Cosmetics? Like, Note Cosmetics, and it is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher, and mine is in the shade Desert Rose, and it's number 5. It is what I'm wearing today. This is my kind of blush, perfect for me. I'm a blush lady though, guys. I love blush, and my sisters are brown skin, and my best friend is really brown. Both my best friends are really brown, and they don't really do blush like that. And I'm like, you have to do blush. It just makes a world of difference to me, and it's like the topper to your makeup look to me. I just think that there's something about it that is so beautiful. I'm obsessed. I have a really large blush collection, like I really do. But this is just what it looks like. And like I said, this is it on my cheeks. And I think it's a fabulous color. Perfect for any look, I feel like. But it's just glowing on my cheeks. And y'all, I don't have on any highlighter today. And I'm kind of feeling it. Like my face is really, really matte and I like it a lot. But this blush feels really, really nice and just melts into the skin. Perfect. This retails for, I think, $11. $11.99. Love it. Well worth it. If I ever hit pan on it, I would repurchase it. I think that's a perfect price point for a blush. You get a nice amount of product, and underneath here is a little brush that I would never ever use, but it's there if you are into that kind of thing. But yeah, I love this. I'll never go through a whole blush because I have so many, but if I did, I would definitely repurchase this because I love this color. So that's it for my box, guys. Over $130 worth of product, and very good box. This is probably, if not, one of my favorite palettes that I have received in a BoxyCharm box. So y'all, if you haven't subscribed yet to BoxyCharm, what are you waiting for? This is the perfect way to build your collection at an inexpensive cost. Like $21. Almost every product in this box was over $20, except for the blush. So, like, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? I'll link it down below. I don't have any affiliate codes or anything like that. I just love BoxyCharm. Like, I will never unsubscribe from this subscription box. Like, I love it so much. And this palette, fire. Literally, the name fits, fire. And the blush is bomb. So, guys, that's it for my BoxyCharm box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.